Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So my channel is all about productivity, freelancing and entrepreneurship, and if you like this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can make money as a teenager. So when I was a teenager, I had this entrepreneurship thing in my head and I always wanted to start something of my own, but oftentimes people are so confused where to start. If you are just 16 or 17 years old, then this is the perfect video for you, because I'm going to show you 8 ways in which you can start your online journey or start just earning online as a side hustle. So let's get started with the video. If you're not new to my channel, I oftentimes talk about freelancing. So that is the first way in which you can make money. Now, what is freelancing? Now, if you have any certain skill that you can monetize online, then definitely you should go for freelancing. There are platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, Chegg. Chegg is a platform where you can, start teaching online. You can discover more about it online. You can Google it, what it is about and what all things are required for their qualifications. If you are new to Fiverr or Upwork, basically how it works is you just apply on those platforms and start sending proposals to the clients. Once the proposal is approved, they will schedule an interview with you. If you have the required skill set they need, then definitely you'll get hired. But I know this process is not very easy and it will take like a month or two to start earning online. Coming on to the question how much you can earn with Upwork and Fiverr, that totally depends upon how consistent you are with your efforts. On Upwork, you need to constantly send proposals so that the clients can see you, and there is a particular way in which you need to approach clients on Upwork. You just can't be like, hey, I can do this job, and then they won't hire you. You set a particular price for your expertise and then send a proposal, and in that proposal write everything in detail, how you can help them and what you will provide. You do that, they'll set up an interview with you, and if you get hired, you can get hired for like a lot of money. So you can get hired for $3,000 per month or $4,000 per month, or even more depending upon their requirement. So it is like endless. So really, I'm telling you because I have tried all these things myself and I have seen people being successful in these platforms. So definitely, if you are in your teens, then you should try for this. I'm not telling you do it full time. Even if you can start it part time, it will be really beneficial for you. The second way in which you can make money online is by becoming an Instagram influencer. Now, I know there is a lot of crowd online and you must be overwhelmed by seeing that there are so many people doing the same thing, and how can I be some value to the other person. But let me just clear this out. If I am following a particular Bollywood star, and I'm definitely following a Hollywood star as well, so there is space for everybody. Don't think that I am going to not find my space and I won't be recognized as much as the other person. Definitely do not compare yourself. Even if you're starting on a small level as an influencer, definitely you should go for it. So within like 2-3 years you will see the returns coming in. So even as an influencer, you can, if your content is really good, you can be approached by a lot of good brands, and people also have these affiliate links that they put. So for example, if you are a beauty influencer, then you can put an affiliate link of Nika, and then if people buy from your link, then you get a certain amount of commission through that, which is great if you are a newbie. So I'm going to tell you how much approximately that you can be paid as an influencer. So if you are a nano influencer with around 1,000 to 10,000 followers, then you can be paid about 4,000 to 15,000 rupees per post. Then if you are a micro influencer which has about 10,000 to 50,000 followers, then you can be paid around 15,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. If you are a mid-tier influencer, then you can be paid around 40,000 to 1 lakh per post. Yeah, that's a lot of money. And just imagine having that in your bank account, like really. And if you are a macro influencer, then you will be having like around 5 to 10 lakhs of followers. Then you will be paid 1 to 5 lakhs per post. Now you must be thinking that how can you be paid so much of amount, so much of money per post? That is because if you promote that product, you are reaching to that many number of followers on your page, which will indirectly increase the brand's sales, which is super important. Because if you are building an influencer kind of an environment, people will follow you genuinely, and you have built an authority for yourself, which is absolutely amazing. The third way in which you can make money online is by making YouTube videos or blogging or vlogging. Now, when I started YouTube, I used to meet a lot of bloggers and vloggers whenever I used to go in the YouTube events that used to happen. So short quick story, if you don't know, I had a previous YouTube channel which I scaled to 56,000 subscribers, and YouTube used to call me for these events and parties at Mumbai YouTube office, which was really amazing. And I used to get to meet a lot of people. I used to get to network with a lot of people. I used to go to small hangouts which they used to have, which was super good. And you get to learn a lot when you are networking outside of your community. So I used to meet a lot of bloggers which used to earn a lot of money, like literally a lot of money. And if you are starting on YouTube, then there are certain set of skills that you need as a blogger, because the market has been growing really like really crazy fast. So you have to be like different from the market in order to create your own space, which is also known as the blue ocean strategy. If you do not know, this is a book that tells you how to create your own market and be unique, even if there are so many people doing the same thing. So you need to find your unique factor, and you need to build on that eventually, so you get to that point. So coming on to the main point, vlogging and blogging is a really good thing. If you can write really well, then you should definitely go for blogging. You should learn SEO, you should learn keywords which are there, and try to select a really micro niche in order to rank higher on Google. Blogging you can earn through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, brand collaborations, or guest posting. These 4 methods are there if you want to start your blogging journey. Blogging you can easily start on WordPress, medium.com, or eBlogger, or any kind of blogging platform, and it's absolutely free. Once you start getting the momentum and you start getting some money from brand collaborations, then you can buy your own domain, you can invest in an hosting. Definitely it will be scalable in the long term. So all these things that I'm telling, you can do it part-time. I know that if you are a student or if you are in college right now, you won't be getting a lot of time to do all this, but definitely on the weekends, 1 to 2 hours, even if you invest like 2 hours on the weekends, definitely you can see results. The fourth way you can earn money online is by Amazon affiliate marketing. Now you can go in and make an account with Amazon Associates online, and I'll link the link in the description. What you can do is you can add your bank account details and all the details which are required by Amazon, and then you can start affiliate marketing with them. So what happens is you do not need a product of your own to promote. Whatever products are there on Amazon, you can directly put an affiliate link on your blog or on your YouTube channel in the description box, and start reviewing products, or start talking about those products, or mentioning those products, whichever you like, in the blog or in the video. People click on those links, you can get a certain amount of commission from what they buy in that particular order. This can be a very detailed video on affiliate marketing, which I'll be doing later on. If you all want it, please mention in the comments. But this is a very good way to start affiliate marketing. next and the easiest way in which you can earn money online is by online surveys. Now Swagbucks is a very renowned survey platform where you can just fill up those surveys and give your details. Like many companies require those surveys, and they are doing market research. So these kind of survey platforms will just require to fill forms, and then you will get like $5 to $10 per filling of the form, which is super amazing, right? So there are many websites such as Toluna, Teleplus, Crash Create, and many more. So I'll mention the list here. Go on those websites. If you are like 5 to 10, it just takes like 5 to 10 minutes to fill those survey forms, and you can get a lot of money out of that as well as a side gig. I know you cannot take this long term because obviously you'll get bored of this, but definitely if you are someone who is in need of some kind of pocket money, then definitely you should go for this kind of service. This you can earn up to 1000 to 2000 rupees per week, or even like per month. Depends upon how you implement the surveys and how often you are filling them. This, if someone buys from your design, then you can get around rupees 30 to 300 rupees per sale. So that is very big. I feel like if you are selling 100 t-shirts, then that just doubles up the amount that per sale is making for you, so which is really great. And tutoring has a lot of scope, and it can get you around 50 to 1 lakh of rupees per month, which is really good. And this profession is very scalable as well. If you are starting your agency, or if you are going to start something else online, that might take time, but if you are tutoring someone, that is instant results, and you will be able to get payment on time as well. Now the last and my favorite is which is not really known by many people, is podcasting. Now this is a sector which can be explored because this is not that famous as YouTube is right now. So if you are someone who loves speaking, then definitely you should go for podcasting. Now podcasting can be very good. Like if you once you start getting a lot of downloads from Apple Music and Spotify, then what happens is they start monetizing your content. They add sponsorship ads in them. I'm not sure if we can monetize some platforms in India, but you can do brand collaborations, you can call guests on your channel on the podcast. So definitely that is going to help you if you love speaking to people, and if you are an extrovert, then definitely this is something you should consider. These are some ways in which you can make money online as a teenager. I hope this video was super helpful, and if it was, please definitely hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I make more such videos every week, so I hope you like it. And also I have made a ebook of how you can reach $1000 monthly as a freelancer. Definitely go check the link out in the bio. I will mention all other tools that I use in the bio as well. In the description box, so please go check that out as well. Till then, bye bye.